Guys, let everyone join. We'll just start in 5 minutes. Mm. By the way, I suggest everyone to sit with their laptops. So yeah, let's start. So yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to session 5 of Summer School 2025 PDC. The title of this session is Prototyping with Figma and Fusion. So uh, irrespective of other past sessions, uh, in this session, there are no theory, only practicality. And I am Swaraj, and here with me Shambhuraj. We will be taking the session. I will be taking the Figma part, and Shambhuraj will take the Fusion. So first, um, like approx 1 hour, I'll take the session. Then Shambhuraj will switch. So yeah, Figma and Fusion 360 first. We'll see Figma. So I suggest everyone to just search Figma on browser and click on the first link and just sign in. And when you are completed with it, just let me know in the comments.
Yeah, also, and let's be interactive, guys. So, uh, be very active in chat so that we know that we are you are able to hear us, and also uh, it's interactive and motivates us to be better. Okay.
So in this session, just like me and Shambhuraj, you'll also be doing the prototyping with us also. Let us know in the comments if you are done with the sign in part.
Yeah, just type done once you're done with it.
Hello, Shashi. The screen is visible, right?
Yeah. So to the guys who just joined, open Figma on your browser and type done once you're done.
So today we'll be prototyping a very famous app. So can you guess what that app is? See this slide and just guess. Guess, people. What is that app we'll be prototyping today?
The hint is that it matches with the theme. Okay, right.
We
Spotify is the
said
right
Spotify.
answer.
Yeah. So basically, we'll be doing the prototyping of Spotify today. So I hope you all are like signed into Figma. So yeah, we'll be doing Spotify using Figma. So the UI of Spotify will do. And yeah, so look at this page. This is like very important. I'll be sharing this page in the group itself. Like today we'll uh, be designing these three pages. Like there are multiple pages, like 10 to 12 pages, like you can see in the Spotify, right? We can't just design all of them. Like we have some time limitations. So I'll just share this page, or you can take screenshot.
Type SS so we can move forward. Once you take the screenshot, just type SS.
Perfect. I think everyone has took the screenshot, or like also I've shared in the group. So now just switch to Figma tab. I'm doing the same. Yeah. So like ideally your, I mean, like nothing should be there in your like account or something if you haven't done anything in Figma. So I have created a couple of things here. So in the recent tab, there are like a couple of things are there. So like um, I'll just guide you like how to get started with. Like in the left like panel, there is a option called draft. Just click on that. After you clicking it, like in the drafts, like here uh, a couple of options are there, like design, fig jam, slides, buzz, site, make. Like for like most basic thing, like only doing the mock-up of the UI of Spotify, we'll just click on the design part. Like there's a like if I hover over it, there's a like plus sign over the design. Just click on it. I hope everyone got the same page as me. Yeah. So here you can just type the name of the file you want. So I'll type Spotify. Then here, like there are a couple of options here, like a click button is there. Like if I click here, there's like move, hand tool, scale, and here like there's frame, section, slice. What is frame? Like we'll be doing the frame itself. So in this frame, you can just put any UI of like not the UI, like the dimension of like Android phone or like iPhone or tablet, like as you can see here, desktop, even watch, social media, and tablets, yeah. And this section is like if you do a couple of these things together, like iPhone, like for iPhone, also for tablet, like the same um like the same software or like or something. And this slice is something which is like if you design any logo particularly or like a certain section of any app, yeah, for that this slice is used. So today we'll just use this frame. Um, in the next we have rectangle. I mean, here the rectangle is selected by default. If I click here, there are like shapes are there: rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, polygon, star, and image. You can just import any image here. Um, and here like there's a pen tool. You can just draw whatever you want. I mean, any logo you can make. It's a pretty like tough job. Um, so we won't be like using it. I also can't use it. I mean, it's like for professionals, I guess. So we'll be just prototyping today's session. I mean, we can get any logo and all from any plugins. I'll tell about that like later. So let me delete it. And here like it's text box, so you can just pull the text and write anything you want. And there's like comment, you can take notes and all. And this thing I'll talk about it later. Like it's a very useful function of Figma. And yeah, these are like the same options over here only. So like dev mode, it's like some other things like some advanced thing, yeah. And here like they're like files, pages, you can create layers, like it's pretty basic. And um here they're like you can export the file you want. You can like you can import any styles if you have downloaded from like the browser or like from the internet. And yeah, there's a like page color, the the color of this like background. This like this background is like not useful. Like we'll be putting any like phone frames and all. And yeah, that's all. And this prototype, like if we put any elements or any frames over here, then the prototype is basically like you can see it later. Like I'll explain if I put any an element here. So basically um I'll just click on frame. So I suggest you do the same, and you can select any device here. So here just I'll click on iPhone 16. So here it is. There's a like blank frame here. So I'll just add three more because like we're doing three, right? So how do you add more? Just click on it. Don't create one more, like it'll just mess up. Just click it and here will be like a plus sign. Like again click it here. Plus sign will be there. And yeah. So this is our first page. So I suggest you open the screenshot that you took. So so as you can see, like the first page is like the sign in page when users just install I mean the app Spotify, and this is the first page appears. So yeah, we'll be naming it. You can, yeah, we can name it like sign in page. And the next, there is the playlist page, and the third one, it is the music page. Yeah. So I'll just put music here, and let's go with the first page. So as you can see, like the UI of Spotify is like full black. So like ideal, we'll just put black in those three frames. How do you do that? Just click on the rectangular box. Here, like the fill will be there. So just click on it and you can just choose any color if you want. So I'll just choose black. So do this for the rest too. Like if I've like any problem is there, you can just ask me in the chat. Okay. So we'll be starting with that. So these elements works like the rectangle works like this, some like the sign in page we are doing, right? So it will be like this. There's like sign up for free part is there. So you can just put that cursor and drag it, like hold and drag it. Then like there is an important step, like you know to align it in the center, right? So like it's kind of like hectic to see that red line and move that thing. So this thing you can just click on it, and here like in positions you have like alignment thing, and then just click on it and it will like auto align. See, like it's here, then it will align here. Yeah, so yeah, and also one more thing, like I've created this box, right? So for duplicating this box you can just do copy and paste, right? So but it will be like right click in and copy and again paste will be like hectic. So I'll tell you like keyboard shortcut to do that. You just like I'm doing it on Windows. I don't know about Mac. So just if you know already, just put in the chat so everyone can know it. So how will we be doing this? So you can press Alt in your keyboard. Just press Alt, and as you can see, there are like two arrows, and you can drag it. See, you can drag it anywhere. So the third, there's like a numbers, couple of numbers are there. Like it's showing the gap. So I'll keep it at 23, 21. Yeah, give it 20. mm, Yeah, that's fine. I think some stays there. Yeah, yeah, fine. So till here, like I don't think any issue will be there. So these are like boxes I've learned. And one more thing, like as you can see in that page, there's a like Spotify logo. Um, how do we bring that logo here? So this is a very important step where this icon comes in the picture. Um, so here, like after clicking it, also you can click this also. Like these are like pretty same. Here, like you can see all assets and plugins and widgets. You can just click on it. See, there are like a couple of plugins are there, so you don't need that much like some advanced features. Just search Iconify to just import the icons. See, there will be like a couple of Iconifies are there. We need to download this thing. See, there's a like 3.6 million users, 27.2 thousand likes. So just click on it and press run. It will take some time to run. Yeah. So this plugin's UI looks like this. If it's done till here, like you can just let me know in the chat. Just type done. Okay, Mac users can use the Option key instead of the Alt. Okay. If it's done till here, you can just let me know. Okay, it's done for Janu, it's done for Gavit, it's done for Sharmila, it's done for Riddhi. Perfect, perfect. Okay, I suggest you search the Spotify in the search icons. Okay, it's done for a lot of people. Okay, we'll move into this again. So we'll just simply search Spotify. Center, there's a couple of Spotify are there. These are like animations, so we don't need that. Um, we'll just take the first one. See if I click it, and in the the very bottom, there will be import is frame, import is component. So we need to click on the import is component, and it will be imported directly on Figma, and we'll just drag it, or you can even close it. See here, like I can't even see the logo. See, so for this, you need to change the color of it, like to white. So for doing it, you need to just click it and see there's like selection colors. To click it and put white. There should be white here, and yeah, so we made it. Yeah. So these things and the text thing is like pretty easy. So we'll be doing that like, pretty late. So as you can see in the in that screenshot that you took and the or the picture that I sent, there's like a couple of albums are there. Some posters thing there's like scrolling effect. So how do you do that? So there is a couple of the rectangular boxes are there. So we'll just put boxes over here, and as you can see behind that logo the picture's opacity is reducing, so we'll do that also. So start making these boxes over here. So I suggest you don't make the boxes so many boxes like this, so it won't be the same, the dimensions will be the same. So I suggest you make one box, make it some like this, and place it here. Yeah, and you do what just like I said, press alt, and you can drag it here, and make sure it lies exactly below that existing box. So, and remember the gap size, it's like 22 or 20. I'll keep 23. I'm not able to keep it. uh, okay, fine, I'll just keep 22. 20 is pretty large, so I'll just reduce the size. I don't even know what that is. Yeah. So yeah, so one more box we need, I guess. Yeah. So also in this set we'll be doing the same. So make sure you do it yourself, like the methods I've shown, the methods. And also one more thing, one more keyboard shortcut for Windows users. Also, Shambhuraj, if you know, you can drop for the Mac users also, as you are using Mac. So this thing, see if I press Shift and move this, it's logged in one axis, I mean two axis, right? And X and Y. So it's like pretty useful. Say it is like either going left or right or like up and down. So you can use that also. So I'm using that, and yeah, perfect. So for the same, I'll be putting this. I'll just remove the logo here, like for this time being. Once I reduce the opacity, I'll just put back there. So I think it's done like with the boxes. And now the thing is, how do you put those images into the boxes? So for this, like you need to just at first like download some artist's images, like you want to put at the background. So let me just download them first. And so I suggest you everyone like download some. How many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, some 9 images. I'll give you like some 1 to 2 minutes to download those images first. I'll suggest like you download from Pinterest. It's like easiest to download. If you're done with the downloading part, just let me know in the comments. Okay. I'm also downloading now itself. Are you guys done with the downloading part? Just let me know in the comments. I'm also downloading, guys, so it's taking some time. You can just search in the Pinterest and download whatever you want. Let me know in the chat if it's done. Okay, done for Janu. What about others? Okay, okay. I'll just tell what to do now. I think everyone has downloaded the images, which is not a big issue. Now, see, you can see the boxes here. So just click on the box and see there is like in the right toolbar there will be like a fill color. Just click on the color and there will be like a couple of options are there. There's like solid, gradient, pattern, image, and video. So just click on the image you want to import. Then click on it and then upload from computer. And just like I said, upload it. The image you downloaded, just like uploaded the image of Drake. Then I'll just upload one more. I mean, the other. I uploaded it. Then the others uploaded. Here goes Sarajit Singh. The next one. Just keep uploading into those boxes, guys. Just like I said. Then here comes Coldplay. So yeah, I think the uploading part is done. So is it done, guys? I think it's done. So now there's a like see in that image. Um, there is a some shadow kind of thing behind that logo, as you can see in that image that was sent earlier. How do we do that? Just we'll just follow the steps. And let me make a box over here. We'll just put a gradient effect here. Just see. Now after clicking it, like do the same, go to fill, and here there's like a gradient option is there. So you can literally put any color gradient. So like in the bottom it should be black, and this is important. And here the we'll just turn the opacity to 0. See, and turn the opacity to 0. Yeah, so you can see the this blur effect here. Um, some white part is there, but I don't know, like it's not perfect kind of thing. So may- I'm just doing it for like perfection. Um, yeah. So as you can see, the gradient effect is clearly visible here, and the this part is slowly looking like the original one that I've sent. And now we'll that this picture part is done. Now we'll just move the Spotify logo. See, it's like going down there. So to bring it to front, we need to right click it and press bring to front. And yeah, eventually brought to front. And then we need to put some text. For that, we need to put text box over here and pull, not here, okay, something, yeah, pull this text. You can take reference from that image. It's like it says millions of songs free on Spotify. Yeah. Now we'll just make sure this thing is perfect. Drag it here and increase its size. Also, if you like click it, here you can see in the typography, like you can choose any font, like you can make it bold. Yeah, there's things you can do. And we'll just increase the size. You can increase the size here to put in 30. Um, yeah, we need to align it in the middle, right? So just click it and the in like scroll this thing, and here in the alignment there should be aligned to center. Just align it this thing. Also align this logo also, like I said in the position. Say these things are aligned to middle. This thing is very important for the like for a good UI. So this text I'll just make it some bolder. As you can see, like the text type is like some inter is there. It might not be matching with the original text of the Spotify, but like you can easily find the what text is used in the this Spotify, and you can like import the same text over here, and you can just copy it. So till here I think there is nothing is there, like no, no problem should be there. I think we should put the like, and one more thing, how to click this multiple elements. So press shift, press this icon, press this text, say the both of the elements are being selected. Now you can use your the like up and down arrow to just move it. So yeah, I moved it to somewhat middle. Then I want to work with the boxes. Just put there. The box is kind of long, like with this more. So I want to again copy it from here. So yeah, perfect. Now say like the first option is like sign up for free, and the other side like continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple. So there's also like um the logos of Google, Facebook, and Apple. So just like I import the logo of Spotify, I'll be doing the same with these three logos also. First want to design the button of sign up for free. I mean this button. So how design this particular button? So as you can see, like the corner is like rounded, right? So after clicking it, the same toolbar over here in the appearance, there will be like corner radius. You can type anything here or like click on it and drag sideways so you can actually see till what extent you need. Yeah. So corner is 30. I think it's pretty fine. So for the others also it must be 30. So I'll be doing the 30 for the other also. So you might be wondering like why like there are like four buttons, right? So why I'm just not duplicating the other two also like from this, because see like the sign up for free part and the continue things, these are like two different designs. So once I make this look like the original one, I just copy then. So yeah, now I need to just click it and click to fill, and you need to now, this is like very important part. So we don't have the like actual color code of the like Spotify, but you can just search the color like with some website called color picker, when you can like just upload the screenshot of the some color of that image, and this will tell you the correct color code, and you can just copy from the color code from that uh, s- site, and just you can just copy paste here. So like for now I'll just put any green over here. So as you can see, something similar I'll just put. Yeah, I think this is pretty fine. So yeah, and also I suggest you like to look at that image or like again. As you can see in the like continue with Google these things, there is like a border kind of thing, like a white border, and like here it's like the opacity is like 0, and it's like black over here. The I mean not the sign up free button, but the other three. So how we do this border thing, like just just do it and follow me. So after like I click it, there will be like in the same toolbar there will be like a stroke option. So just click it. This stroke is for the boundary thing. See, now I can choose any color of the boundary. See, it's perfectly visible. So in the original image, like the boundary is white in color. So I'll just put it white, and I'll just change the fill of the color. Like I'll turn the opacity, like instead of doing it black, I just turn the opacity to 0. See, also, you can also um, increase the this line width also. Like in stroke, as you can see the weight. Like if I click it and if I increase the weight, say, can just do whatever you want with the like design tools over here. It's like best. So I put the weight into 2. I think it's perfect over here. And now we can easily, like, this button is completely done, so you can easily uh, duplicate it. So I'll press Alt, I'll drag it. The Yeah, so both are 18, as you can see. And I think it's aligned in the middle itself. I'll just check again by clicking it. Yeah, it's aligned. And again, I'll do the same for the Apple login. It was 18, I guess. Yeah, it's 18. Yeah, so these four are perfectly aligned. Now I'll like the text part I'll do later. I'll just import the logos over here. I'll like just like I did for this. You need to click at this thing. You need to go plugins and widgets. It's in the all in the recents, but though you can just click it and go to Iconify. The same UI will open. Then you will click Google. Sorry, you search Google. You import the this Google logo. Okay, it's imported over here. Yeah, so let it be here, and we'll need the logo of Facebook also. So just search Facebook over here. Yeah, so you got the logo Facebook. So do the same. Click it, then click import this component. Say this thing is imported. Yeah. Now we'll need the logo of Apple. Simply search Apple. Take this logo. Import this component. So this thing is black, so it's like not visible over here. I took all the logos, right? So I can just click cancel and change the color of this thing. So just click it, go to selection colors and do white. That's all. Now drag it into that box and align it properly. Yeah. Oh, sorry, the Facebook is in third. So as you can see, the this thing is sorted. And now we'll just put the text over here. So for the same font and all, I'll just copy this and I'll make edit on this thing. So it will be like sign up for free, sign up for free. Oh, it's only free. Yeah. So I need to change the color of it and to change the color to black and to decrease the size. I'll put 18. Yeah, 18 is fine, I guess. Now go to alignment, should be in the middle. Make sure it's in the middle, like downwards also. Do the same for this also. Continue for like this thing. Change the color. Continue for Google. Perfect. Let's copy it again. S- Edit the Google part. Put Facebook over here. Again, the same. With Apple. Make sure they're aligned properly. Yeah, I think it's perfectly fine. And one more text is there, and we are all done with the first page. This page took a lot of time because like it's the first page, right? So I have to explain every design tool over here. But the next two pages, like we'll be doing pretty fast. Me too. And this is only log in, and the same we need to click it and align it to center. So yeah, that's all guys. The first sign in page is ready. I hope you like everybody done till here. Like let me know in the chat if you're done. We'll be starting with the second page. Like I did the first page is so much like perfection. Like I'll not be doing the other two pages will that much perfection because like takes a lot of time for this much perfection, I think. As you can see, look at this page and look at the page I sent. It's like pretty similar, I guess. So we just made a copy of the sign-in page of Spotify, guys. So yeah, two people wrote done. What about others? Can I move to the second page? Guys, reply in chat. A bit behind. So you can complete it like after the session also. So just move to the second page. Just complete it like after the session. And also guys, like send that Spotify link also. I mean this design link. I'll just tell how to share the link. So by this process, you will all like also be sharing the assignment link also, and we will be sharing the assignment, like revealing the assignment in the end of the session. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, let's move to this next page. The next page is like the playlist page, and here is there's a um picture of weekend. So we'll just export it. We'll make a this. I'll do this process pretty fast. So I, I put the box, then I go to fill, I go to image, upload, then this image. So yeah, I did it. So yeah, as you can see, there's also like this blur effect, the same that I did from here. So I'll just copy from here, just like Alt, then I'll put over here. Um, yeah, and this blur effect, like the gradient, you can just make some changes in it. Just you can drag it and you can just set till what you need to. I mean, you need blur thing, and yeah, this looks like the blend of this black color and the image, which looks pretty good. I think it's gone. Yeah, and also you can see like there's a some kind of red. This gradient over here is also there. Yeah. So for that also I'll make an box. Then I'll put red color in it. I mean in the gradient I'll put red color, and in the other end I'll just do the same. I'll put opacity 0, and see this thing is like not aligned properly. So I'll change the gradient direction to this. Perfect. Um, Send it to back. So this thing is pretty similar to the one I sent. So yeah, so next we'll put the icons over here. See at the top left there is a back icon. So I'll go to Iconify. I'll just search back. See here you can get a couple of images. I mean icon images. Like if you scroll, you can get the similar one over here. You can do the same. You can import. It's important. It's in black, so I'll put that in white color. Yeah. So I moved it here, and I'll just increase its size. So yeah. Next there's a like uh in the like right side there's a play button, right? So I'll just search play over here, and the play button should come. Yeah. So this button looks very similar to me. I'll click on it and import this component. So got imported, and then to color it to change the color to green, and this is very important. So the color we used here, it should be similar to the color of the play button over here. So for that, uh, here in like there's like saved color which we used earlier. So we'll just click on it, and we'll increase the size, place it over here. Yeah. Also, there's like some kind of text is there. It shows that we exported from Iconify. So to remove that, it's like code kind of thing. We need to just click it and click on right click it. Then there will be like option called flatten. So just click it. See, it's gone. Do same for it. Flatten and it's gone. Yeah. And beside this, there's a shuffle button also. Just shuffle, and the button should be there. Well, similar button should be there. Yeah. Also, you can change the color over here also. Yeah, that thing I saw just now. So we'll put it white. Then we'll import it. Yeah. So make sure you do the alignment properly, which is really important. And there is a some kind of follow button over here, and there is a 11.2 crore monthly listeners. So you can basically do it right. I mean, it's like pretty similar to the text box over here. So make sure you do it. And the this box kind of thing, it shows what song is playing right now, I guess. If you use Spotify, you might be knowing it. So I'll just draw a box, and as you can see, there's an image. So quickly I'll take an image from my computer, um, a random image, say this. Yeah. Also, there's a white stroke over here. So I'll just put white stroke, and uh, we'll do the corner radius thing. As you can see, uh, so see, it's like pretty similar to the this thing over here in the original thing. And there's a follow box also, and the text part you do it, guys. Like the text part to align it properly, it takes time. The follow button also, I'll just design the follow button, like the button and the text, you just do it. So the fill, just do the opacity to 0 and put the stroke, white stroke, and the corner radius thing. Yeah. So the follow button will move here, and the three dots will be there, and uh, we'll search dots. Yeah. So as you can see, dots are here, and it's already in white color. So we'll import it, enlarge it, and place it over here. So this thing, violet thing, you know how to remove it. So yeah. So like this you need to do, and uh, I'll not be doing the entire part because of the time limitations. It's already 8:10. Uh, like I'll do the bottom part, the home search thing. So do one thing, like import all the icons at once, like the home button. You can just search home over here, and you can click on it, import as component. Again, search, search itself, search it, import. Uh, Again, there's like library. I don't think that particular image will be there. Yeah, this is like in the Spotify database. So the same icon you won't get. You need to download from somewhere else. That will take time itself if you do it perfectly. So I'll just go with this one. I imported it. Now one more is left. What is left? Create. So there's a plus sign. So I'll just write plus for better. Then I'll click on it. Yeah. Now I'll just put it over here. These things. So see the alignments, like it's pretty important to align those issues. This thing is like pretty tough job to do. I think those things are aligned properly. I don't know. Um, yeah, I think it's done. So also the present song which is playing timeless. So for that, I'll make a box. The box is kind of shorter than the screen. I'll align it. It's pretty up. So I'll just, yeah, perfect. So yeah, this thing is like dark red, right? So I need to do the same for it. Yeah, yeah, perfect. And do the rounded corners, corner radius. Yeah, it's pretty fine. And this weekend logo, I mean the song logo over here, you can align it also. And you can put the image thing, this thing. the same image, I guess. Yeah. And there's like three icons over here. It's like play. One is play icon. I'll just export it. I mean, import it, sorry. Then there's like a plus sign over here. Plus sign is like plus sign is in round. Yeah, I caught it exactly what it is. And the last logo is the computer speaker. I don't think we can get it. It's complicated. Computer with speaker. Yeah, I got it. Kind of, kind of similar. To get a better one, just paste it over there. We'll see the alignment for like beautification. Like the alignment is pretty important. So uh, just make sure to do the alignment properly in the assignments. And yeah, there's like 4 songs over here for each 4 more images you need, and which is a like pretty time taking job. So I'll just go with the skeleton of the rest parts. So it's like 4 of them. Yeah, I wanted to copy it. Sorry. You need not to put the boxes like this big. Like I'm doing it for um just like I said, I'm doing it the skeleton this time. Uh, you can increase the size all at once by pressing the shift over here, like to all. Now see, I've done this thing properly, and now this thing I've done the skeleton part only, and I think you can finish it, this thing. Now I'll just move to the last music part. It's like pretty easy. There's like in the some 60% or 70% of the screen, it's like only image of the artist. So yeah, attendance form I'll give after the Figma session. Uh, Also stay tuned for the Fusion session. Also, the Fusion is more useful and more what like Shamraj will take it, and as you can see, yeah. So till this, like, are you done? Like, let me know in the chat. Guys, are you done till here? Just comment done, guys. I think no one is done or what? I can't see any comment. Are you guys sleeping? Okay, you are behind. Yeah, yeah, of course you'll be behind. Like, you're doing it for the first time. I also did it, like, learned it like before some 5 to 6 days. I'll just, yeah, Aryan not yet. Okay, fine. Like, do you have any problem? Like, any question how this UI works and like how to put certain things? Okay, done some part, remaining part I'll done it after the session. Yeah, I think it's pretty interesting to just grab some images, grab some shapes, and grab some icons and put it in the that frame and make a look alike of some famous apps which product designers do, or like specifically UI UX designers. So yeah, like every UI you can see, like the UI of this YouTube you are seeing, and the like like UI of the Spotify website itself, UI of WhatsApp, all are like designed by some UI UX designer itself. So yeah,
Aryan is asking some doubt.
we can make the main page border rounded, right? Like in the reference. Um, like in the reference, I did it in the Canva actually, but I don't know if we can do this frame part also. Let me just, this is a good question actually. So yeah, I mean, we did it like rectangularly for like the dimensions and the like the corner, this thing are not same in everyone's phone, right? So for the dimension only we did, like say in some uh, phone like S24 Ultra or something, it's like the corners are like really like uh, edged like this, but in like iPhones and all it's like rounded. So it's safe to do in this manner. And like for beautification kind of thing, I did that in the slides, like I did in the corner areas and all. Yeah, you can do it here. You can just click this before you put that those things. You can click it and go to the corner radius and see. You can do it. That's pretty
Yeah,
good actually.
Swaraj, we can also tell them to do the last page as a homework, right?
Yeah, yeah, we can do that as well. So can you guys do that like the last part? And I'll just tell now how to share it. Um, See in this board we have, there's a share button over here. See this play part is like present. You can just show if you want to showcase the slides that you have designed to others or screen share like me after the designing part. Here like one share button is there. You just click it and see it should be like anyone can view or I mean anyone can view, and there's like copy link is there. So you just copy the link and you can send me in the DM, or you can send me or you can send in the group itself, like the common group. So yeah, after the session you just, if you have time, you just complete it and just uh, send it to me. So I'll leave the third part, the music board, to you. It's like pretty easy, like the easiest of the three is only the second one is kind of complicated. So yeah, I think it's already 8:21. Now the fusion part will come. It's more interesting, and I like to call Shambhu. Can't we have this in the attendance
Hello,
form
hello.
only? Um, what you're trying to say actually, like the share thing, Garvit. Can't we have this in the attendance form only? Yeah, Shambhuraj, you can take the session now.
Yeah, okay. Swaraj, can you just put up a message in the group that we are starting with Fusion?
I mean, you want me to uh, do in the like Canva?
No, no, just put a message in the group. Uh,
Okay, okay, okay. Fine, fine. Got it,
yeah,
got it.
yeah. So I'll present my screen now. You can stop the screen share.
All right.
Also, let me know in the chat that has everyone downloaded the Figma. Sorry, Fusion. Is everyone ready with their app?
Okay, yeah. So Garvit asked like the link for the Figma design. So the present Spotify thing, it's like light only. Like you can just share if you are done with it. But the important part is like the assignment that will be going to uh, like release at the end. So for that, we'll be releasing specifically like specified Google form for that. You need to paste the link over there with your name and email, I guess. So. yeah, take light for the Spotify for now. If you like really interested to share the Spotify design, you can just share it. But the more important part is like the assignment itself. Says download just to confirm it is Autodesk Fusion, right? Yeah, that's Shambhu will answer that. I just stop sharing it.
Autodesk
If you have any
Fusion. Yeah,
problem
right.
regarded to Figma, you can just ask me anytime in DM. I'm always available, or in the
Hmm.
chat
In the
itself
mobile,
now,
I don't
or
think we can do both of these tools in mobile. You are going to need a PC.
yeah, you need a PC for that.
Yes, Swaraj, now I'll be taking on. Thank you.
Yeah. I'm just stop sharing.
Yeah.
Fine.
Is my screen visible? Now. Okay.
Also, guys, we'll be sharing the attendance link at the end, so make sure you attend the full session. It's like most important session among all the 8 sessions of PDC, right? It's like no theories there, only practicality and tasks, which is like really important in the industry. So yeah,
Yeah, right. Swaraj, I guess they can't see my screen. Can you add me to the stage?
yeah,
Yeah.
I just added even the stage.
Okay. Okay, cool. So, guys, we are done with the Figma part, as you know. So, we are starting with Fusion now. So, just a small intro about Fusion. Fusion is a great way to um, prototype your product, and it is similar to AutoCAD. If you know AutoCAD, or some of you might even have tried Fusion. Uh, Let me know in the chat if anyone has tried Fusion hands on. No, she design challenge. Okay, cool. AutoCAD, but not Fusion. Okay. Fusion and AutoCAD are more or less same, but still a lot different. AutoCAD we mainly use for architecture stuff, but Fusion is focusing on mainly 3D designs, and we can make very complex structures with it. And if you see, look at Fusion, it is simple if you like look it from above, but if you go into depth, like it's very complicated, and even many professionals still don't understand it. So starting with Fusion now. So we'll start with the intro part, like how is the UI, simple functions, and getting just familiar with it. So this is my Fusion tab, and viewers tab also will look something like this. Uh, Let me know in the chat if you are ready with it. Yeah, okay. Be responsive so we can move fast. And also, it's really advised that you do it side by side. So, like, if you do it on your own, then only you can learn it really good. This is a practical lecture, so yeah, okay. Okay, so yeah, so some basic functions we'll be starting with. This is the file, like you can save this or open a new Fusion file here. as like every app has. This is save button. This is redo undo. We can also do this with command plus Z or control plus Z if you're on Windows. And this is the home tab where you'll see some designs that you have made. And uh, these are different tabs in this, like the solid, surface, mesh, sheet metal, plastic, utilities, manage. We will be mostly sticking to the solid and surface part today, and we are going to need only that. This is some various options that Fusion offers us. Design, generative design. We can also render it. There are animations, simulations. How are things manufactured? We can show through this. Like there are a whole lot of things we can do. And the this is a sketch option. This will be really helpful to, like, this is a basic option that we start with it. This is extrude, like we'll get into it. And also Fusion has a really interesting thing here, like if we hover on one option, like we see how it works. So if we go to revolve, it explains how does it work. So even Fusion wants us to learn from it. And like if you just need a push from such video lectures, and even you can do it on your own and explore it yourself. So if you are on your PC already, so you can just try them out if you want to right now. So you can just explore it a bit. These are different options. Create means we create a new object or a body, and in modify options we play with that body. We cut it, split it. There are different options like fillet, chamfer, split face, split body. We are going to use that later on. And also construct few of these options also we are going to use. And focusing on the main part here, this is the main tool. This is called the Gizmo. You might have seen if you have done AutoCAD already. So this helps us to revolve around. Like let's create a small object here. Like first click on sketch, create sketch, and then click on one surface. Like these are three surfaces that we can choose at the start. So let's just click on the bottom surface, and you will see something like this, and these options will change. So we are going to create one surface for our object. So let's draw a circle here, circle of probably some 50 millimeter radius. You can take anything. And once we are done, we'll tap on finish sketch. Then we are going to have this, and then tap on extrude. Like we will go into detail with this. I'm just showing you one thing, so you can extend it a bit. You can extend, like, for will extend this for 50 millimeter. And we have our object here. So I'm going to tell you like how useful this gizmo is. So you can move it around using this. And also we can directly tap on top, tap on right side, tap on front side. It will show you that side, top, or any corner that you want to see. And also if you are like you explode it and you are lost somewhere, like how to go to the default one, you can simply click on this home button. So you are on the default view right now. And also you can click on this drop down menu. This drop down menu gives us some options. We are going to focus on these two options. Like first one is orthographics, second one is perspective. So as we can see, we are on the perspective option right now. It this will look like we are, yeah. So this will look like we are looking at it with our own eyes, but orthographic will give us a simple object. This doesn't feel real, but when we go to perspective, it feels like it's a real object. Okay, so this is the difference between orthographic and perspective options. And also, as I said, we can render this design. So when we click on render, we'll see something like this. There will be a light source somewhere, and we can see the object shadow falling. We can also like play render here. It will appear like some light is falling on it, and how much of it can pass. Like we can check material properties from this. Moving on to the design part. So yeah, these are the basic options that are really important as we explored. So moving on to the next part is we are going to make something interesting that we have been using since our childhood. Uh, Anyone like to guess what we are going to make? We are using it from our childhood, like in school we use it. Tell me in the chat what we are going to design now. Please give us time to complete assignment. Yeah, 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 you will get time to complete assignment. Right now, just focus on the lecture, okay?
Yeah, for the assignment details, like everything, what the assignment is, and the deadline will just
Yeah.
announce it at the end, including the deadline of the assignment. Of course, we'll give time for the assignment now.
Yeah, I see some replies. Pencil, desk, bag. Okay. Anything else you have on your mind? Okay, I'm seeing some replies. Okay. Anyways, Pritib is right. We are going to make a pencil now. Just a simple drawing. Entire classroom. Okay. That one was good. Yeah, you can even make a classroom in this, but you need to do it for months now. Okay, so yeah, we will make a pencil for now. It is really easy to make one, honestly. So yeah, so as you can see, this is the uh, basic overview that you can all see in your screen. So just try to follow me, and if you can't keep up with me, you can also do it later on. So just keep focusing on what I'm telling you. Okay. So for making a pencil, what do we need? First, we need its body, right? And we just saw the extrude tool, like how to use it. So we will do this something similar that we just did. So we will first of all will select one planar face, that is the XY plane. I'm sorry, the XZ plane, and then go to create this. Then click on polygon. We are going to need a hexagonal shape, right, for a pencil. So we are going to create a polygon, then go to a circumscribed polygon. Okay, and then click here into the center and move your arrow towards outside. So this the measurement we can see, that is the diameter of the inscribed circle. So we are going to keep it 5 mm for this, and then we have our hexagon here. And also we, instead of going to the gizmo all the time, we can also use the shift button on your laptop or PC. And if you are using a mouse, you can tap on the scroller that we use to scroll the screen up down. So shift plus scroll, you have to tap, and you can move it anyhow that you want. Okay, so yeah, moving forward, we'll finish the sketch now. Then the magic tool we'll use, this is extrude, as we just saw. And then we have already selected this surface, so we'll drag this arrow upwards, and we can keep height as per our wish. I'm going to keep 40 millimeters of height and tap enter. So we have our body here. This is the body of the pencil. This is a sweet hexagonal shape, as we can see. You can move it anyhow you want using the scroller button plus shift. You can see the tip of the pencil. So here we are going to use another tool that is called the construct tool, because now we are going to raise this platform above, but we need a conical shape, right? So we are going to use this construct tool and tap on offset plane, this option. So using this option, we can move this plane upwards, and then I'll tell you what to do. Like, you will understand then why we are doing this. So we can keep it some 10 millimeters maybe, and then tap on OK. So as you can see, our surface has moved 10 centimeter above. So we can use that surface, and using that surface we can create a sketch on it. Okay, so take another circle and tap on the center, and take a diameter of 2 millimeters here. Okay, and then tap on finish sketch. So as we can see, I drew a 2 millimeter diameter circle here, and there is the surface. Now you would have been like stunned, like, what am I doing? Why is this flying about? But we are going to use a beautiful tool called loft now. As you can see here, as they we are going to use this loft, and for this tool we need two surfaces to select, and it will automatically join it. Okay, so selecting the first surface, then the second surface, and here make sure you don't tap this point. Like, if we tap this point, then it will directly go to the tip, but we don't want the tip directly, right? We want two surface at the top as well. So not going to the tip directly, so I can uh, press the on undo button here. So we should use loft, click this surface, and then click the above surface, not the center. Click the above surface. Okay, so now we have what we needed. Okay, as you can see, again we have to repeat the same process. Construct offset plane. This is for the graphite part of the pencil. Okay, so this plane we need to move some, let's say 2 millimeter above. So tap and enter. So as we can see, it has moved above, and again repeat the process. Create sketch, tap to the surface, and then take a circle and draw a really small circle this time, because we want the tip as small as it can be. So let's say 0.01 millimeter. Enter and finish sketch. Okay, so we have almost a point here, and at this point we can use the loft till the point as well, because we can directly go to the tip now. So loft this surface and join it with this surface, and done. We have our beautiful, the main part of the pencil now that we used to write with. And also you might be thinking like, this doesn't look like a pencil. We will also we will be also going to that, like coloring it and using the materials. That all also we will be doing. So just a small question, like are you keeping up with this, like are you following me? Just tell me in the chat if you are doing good, or any doubt that you have. Let me know in the chat right now. Come on guys, be responsive. Okay. Yeah, attendance link you will get in sometime, like 20 minutes or so. Yeah. So yeah, Sharmila, yes, Aryan is saying able to understand, but will take some time to create the pencil tip. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Just don't lag behind. Okay, just follow the lecture at all time, or even you can watch the recording afterwards. That's not a problem. Just try to understand the concepts. That's all. Yeah, only two replies. Everyone else, are you following? Come on, guys. Let me know in the chat so we can move forward. Okay, Garvit, nice one. Okay, okay, fine. Then we'll move to the next part of this. So, top part we are done with it, and now we have to create a metal part and also the rubber. So, yeah. So, for that, we need to go to the bottom surface now, and like you can put your picture like this, and then again we need to create the bottom part, right? So we will create sketch now, and the surface now we'll choose will be the bottom surface, and again we'll create one circle that will be circumscribing this. Yeah, okay, and tap. Okay, we now have the surface. Then tap on finish sketch. So yeah, as we can see we have this surface, and we are going to use the extrude tool again now. So tap on extrude, tap on this surface, but as you can see only this surface is selected when we tap on it. So we have to select one by one everything, and as you keep tapping it will just add up. You don't need any other key to uh, add that up. So yeah, all surfaces are once selected, so we can move it upward now. So I guess we can move it like 5 millimeters, and try to check how it looks. Yeah, okay, it looks just fine. We can also do one thing, like we can also try to increase the radius of the circle here. So if you want to delete an element, so just click on that element and right click and try to delete it. Okay, it's not getting deleted. Okay, fine, we can also work with this. There's no problem with it. Yeah, okay. So we have this part now, the metal part. Now we need to create this eraser. So for that we need a smaller radius. So we are going to create another sketch. Tap on this bottommost surface, go to the circle and create a smaller radius circle. This much would be fine. This is coming out to be 8 millimeters. So tap on it and tap on finish sketch. Again, go to the extrude tool, tap on the surface and pull this down. So like we have to see how long eraser do we want. I guess 5 millimeter radius distance would be fine. So yeah, we'll tap on enter, and here we have our complete pencil. But oh look, there is one thing still left. What is it? Guys, tell me, what is the thing that we have to do to this pencil to make it look like this one? What can we do? Let me know in the chat, guys. Come on. We have to make this pencil look like this. Color it. Okay. Color. Okay. Well, I have a better word for it. We can call it material, because fusion is a very realistic thing, because we are going to make this product in real life, so we are not going to make it of any material and just paint it. We are going to make it of some material, right? Every element of this. So we can press A here on the keyboard, or also there is another way to do it. We can we can go to modify, and then move down to appearance. Click on appearance, and here we will have a bunch of options in appearance tab. So as we know that this pencil needs a various elements. So first element that we will add is to the body, that is the yellow. We'll use this enamel glossy paint. So if you have not downloaded it, here one download option will come. So just click on download, and it will get downloaded in just few seconds. And just once select all the surfaces like this. Okay, so all the surfaces are selected now, and just simply drag this paint and put it on that surface. Here we have this beautiful paint to this pencil, and now we need to do the same for this part and as well as this part. So this part is wood, so we are going to search wood here. So for wood part we will be using oak. If you are not already downloaded it, you can download it with this option, and again select all the surfaces like this, and just simply drag and drop it to this surface. Just wait a minute. I guess it's having some error. Just a second. Yeah. So again, select all the surfaces. Yeah. So selected all of it, and just simply go to modify appearance and add oak finish to this. Just a second. We are having some problem here. Let me sort it out. Okay, guys, we are having some problem here. Till then, we'll paint the tip. The closest thing we can use for the tip is the um, carbon carbon fiber. So we'll drag and try to add it to the tip now. Select it and add it to the tip. So as you can see, it has been added. And also for this part, we'll add the oak. Yeah, so yeah, it's sorted now. We have added the oak finish as well as the yellow, and the tip is of carbon now. Like we don't have graphite here, so we are using carbon fiber. And now for the metal part, we are going to use steel. Here the closest we can get was steel of satin. So we will use this. Select the
Hello,
object and drag and drop.
guys. Are you still
Yeah,
here? Um, like, are you still able to see the live? Someone said that he can't able to see the live. Just let us know in the comments.
yes, Swaraj, I have like the live open. Like it is still there. We are live.
Yeah, fine then.
Yeah. So now, yeah, okay. People are saying they are able to see it. Okay. So just the last part is remaining, the rubber part. But I guess we don't have rubber here. So yeah, we don't have any red rubber here. So we will be using some red color. Um, Probably like some that matches it. So we will be using LED red. This is the closest we can get with it. So select this element and add the color to it. So yeah, so here is it. Here it is. So we have our pencil right now. Close this. This is our final product that we are prototyped. So you can show this to anyone and pitch it as your product now, if you are the inventor of a pencil, obviously. But you can um, like bring your ideas to life from this part. Like this is the bridge that connects you with ideas and the real product hands on. So yeah, this is how it looks. And also going to the render part now, this looks more realistic than we saw just now, because it has shadows and also the edges we cannot see, like the lines we cannot see. This is like a real product of real life, because in design part you are like seeing this all of this edges.
And someone asked, like, can we 3D print it?
Now we get it 3D printed. Okay, interesting question. So we can save it in various formats. The main format that we save this in is F3D form. And I guess, as per my knowledge, the 3D printing needs some um, S, SCL or something form. So if that form is available in this option, so we can use it. But we also need to put all the material that we have just used in this in the printing machine. That's all. Yeah, STL file, right? So yeah, this is our final product. So guys, it's 9 p.m. already. So we have one more product to make, which was uh, this is a like thing that we use capsules for. Like it is called blister packs. So in this we keep our capsules. We wanted to make it right now but due to time constraints, it would be like stretching the lecture by half an hour. So let me know if you are interested in seeing how to make this, or shall we move forward to the assignments part? Let me know in the chat.
I'm sharing the attendance link now. Just
Yeah, 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 sure.
attendance.
Yeah, yeah. Just guys, let me know if you want to see how to make this, or we will be moving forward with the assignment part. Oh, Garvit had some nice input. Good to hear. What about everyone else? So, shall we keep moving? I can be quick with this one, as we all know that we are already familiar with this now. Okay, one tablet we can make, and copying it and making the other tablets is it's very easy. So okay, then we'll move forward and do this part also. I'll be quick with this one. Yeah. So, and also, just one small question. Do you notice any difference in both of these pencils? Just tell me quickly. This is a shout out question. I'll give a great shout out. Like, I'll type his name as well as three respect emojis to the one who answers. Okay, edges. Nice, nice. Okay, Garvit has guessed it right. That's perfect. The edges, as you can see here, there is no curve or no cut in the edges, but here there is a small cut in the edges. So this also I'm going to tell how to do it. It's a very simple task. We just have to go to this solid and modify, and as you can see, there is a chamfer tool here. This is also a basic tool that we use often. So click on that chamfer tool and select the edges in this option, these lines. Select all of the lines. Okay, we have selected all the lines, and just type some small number that by that amount it will go inside, right? So type I guess 1 millimeter would be fine. Yeah. So this tool we use to make it look like very realistic. Like, this is how a realistic pencil looks. We can also color this part, but due to time constraints we'll be moving forward with our next object, that is the blister packs, and we have to make this one. As you can see, not accurately this one, like colored part we will be missing it, but yeah, more or less we will be making this, as I showed you already. This we have to make. So yeah, we'll click on new design. So yeah, quickly starting up with this. Again, we need to create a surface for this. This time our surface will be these two axes. This is y-axis. Sorry, this is z-axis, and the below one is x-axis. So this is z-x plane, and again we'll need to create one circle. This time also the radius will be diameter will be 5 millimeters. We can zoom into it. So yeah, 5 millimeters finished sketch. And as you can see, we have our 5 millimeter circle here. And again, click on the magic extrude tool, and this time we'll extrude it for 5 millimeters again. Tap on OK. So this, we have a cylinder part. So what do we need for a capsule? We need the hemispheres that are on the both sides. Okay. So we'll again go to create, and this time click on the sphere tool. So this time click on this surface because we have to make a sphere on this surface, and click on its center and drag this to 5 millimeters. But now as you can see, there is this all red color to it because it has gone into our solid now. Like this is not like practical. This cannot happen in real life. So that's why we go to here, option, this drop down menu was an option of join. So we'll click on it, and it will just simply join the both um, objects, so we don't have any problem anymore. So we'll click on OK. The similar thing we'll do on another side. Click on sphere, this time this surface, center, drag to 5 millimeters, and again join. Click on OK. So we have this, what can we call, spherical cylinder. I don't know what to call this, but yeah, we have this shape now. Uh, this would look like a capsule to you, but this is not what we actually want. We want we actually want the half of it, because as you can see in this, we only need half of that. In this also, in this design also, we can see we just need half part of it. So we are going to use a new tool here, that is the split body tool, or here also you can tap. So split body tool splits the body in two halves, and we need a surface for this. So for the surface part, we are going to need the uh, another plane now. So this plane, let's try to tap on it. Just a second. So this body we need to split, right? So tap on the body, then tap on this axis that we are going to use to split it. So we can zoom it out, and we need to use this axis for splitting, right? This axis, the xy plane. So tap on that axis, and there will be a uh, like, it will show how it is going to get cut. So tap on OK now, and we have a cut here, as you can see. So after we have the cut, we can delete the lower body, like delete the lower faces. Okay, and tap on remove here. Okay, so we have our next step now. This is a small capsule. It is a shell of a capsule actually, and now we need a small length below it. As you can see in this drawing, like we need a small gap between the surface and the main part. So we need to use another extrude here, and extrude it down to 1 millimeter. And yeah, here we go, we have this. But the problem here is, this is all this is all a solid, so we need a gap in it, right? So this time we'll use surface, and click on, just a second, let me check. Yeah, we'll go to modify and click on shell. So only the surface will remain. So click on the bottom surface and drag this arrow inside, and I'm going to keep the thickness just 0.1 millimeter, so it will be really thin. Okay, and now we have this whole hollow shell type figure for the capsule. Here we are going to put the capsule, and moving on to the next step that we have is creating another surface. So we are going to uh, let's at first let's just duplicate these capsules. We are going to need some uh, n by n type of capsules, right? Or any number, x into y number of capsules to make it look like this. So for duplicating, we use another tool, that is rectangular pattern tool. In this, we go to bodies. After selecting this, we go to bodies. We click on this body, and this whole body gets selected. We click on axis. Then this part is the axis which we want to extend these capsules in, like duplicate in. So I'm choosing the x-axis. So these options will come. So again, we use this arrow to drag this, and right now there are just three capsules. If you want four, we can increase it. And this option we can use for the extend part. So even if we drag this, uh, the extent will remain same, but the distance keeps changing, and the spacing part, the spacing increases. That's it. That's the difference between extent and spacing. So the distance shouldn't be much less or much more. So it should be like an ideal distance. So I'm keeping it to be 7 millimeters. It would be fine, I guess. So click on OK. Again, we need to select all the bodies, and then repeat this, but in another axis now. So click on the y-axis this time, and extend it towards this direction, and we can increase the quantity here as well. So duplicating is really easy in fusion. So this distance is fine. So as you can see, we have these many capsules now. It was so easy to do it. Okay, so now we just want a simple uh, foil below it, like the surface of it. So for the surface part, coming to the surface part, we are going to need a surface that is below these capsules, and as we know that we moved down by 1 millimeter, so we can't keep the xy plane as the axis now. So we need 1 millimeter, put 1 millimeter below the xy plane. So how to do it? Any idea? Let me know in the comments, guys. How are we going to shift the surface by 1 millimeter? Come on, guys, let me know if you are following. Chat, come on. Okay, not sure. We already use the same tool, like same method in the pencil part. What tool is it? Yeah, I'll just tell you. It's construct and offset plane. This the simple, beautiful tool that we are going to use for this. And again, choose this plane, and we need to offset this plane, this time below it by 1 millimeter. So this is the correct one. So yeah, as we can see, we have a plane below it. So again, go on create sketch, select that plane, and now we have to do one very simple thing: draw a rectangle. That's it. Okay, try to keep it symmetric. Anyways, the medical shopkeepers don't keep it symmetric, they cut it anyhow. So at least we'll try to keep it symmetric. So yeah, this looks okayish to me. Yeah. So we have this, and then we'll tap. We'll do one more thing. This we'll go to the fillet tool, and this is the fillet tool to cut the corners like this. It just makes it look beautiful, and also the corners cut right. So to avoid it, we are using this. So we'll tap on finish sketch, and then using extrude, we'll give it a very small thickness. E- and it is again -1 millimeter. And now let's keep it even smaller. -0.1 will make it, and tap on enter. So yeah, this is what we have. So again, I'd like you to notice like there is a still a difference between this and this. So let me know in the chat what is the difference and how can we solve it. Tell me what is the difference and how can we solve that problem. Any idea? Hollow and solid. Okay, that is a good one. Like this is not actually hollow, but you can call it transparent. This all material is transparent. Yeah, but that is correct. We have to change the appearance of this using the same mold appearance tool. We have used acrylic clear here, so we'll use the same. Search acrylic. So yeah, again download it. Here choose the body and simply add this to it, and it's done. We have our blister pack here. So this was the whole point of all lecture of Fusion. We had to make these board drawings, uh, and also have some fun with it. Hope you guys enjoyed. And also, there is one more question: which product would you like to make with Fusion now? Like you are already introduced to it, so what would you like to do with it now? Like what would you like to make? Any small product that you can think of, tell me. Earphone case. Okay, that's interesting. Earphone case you can make simply. A mobile is a bit complicated because it has a lot of components inside. But yeah, that's a good choice. That's an ultimate aim of a Fusion user to create a mobile. Okay. But more like mechanical things, this Fusion is better for. Mechanical things like uh, any mechanical tools that we use, like a screwdriver, anything. TV remote. Okay. Chair. F1 cars are such a easy thing to make. So let's not do so very easy things. Yeah. Okay. F1 cars is like you can make it in seconds. So don't go into that. Try to make something hard like your career. Yeah. Try to make it with this Hyperloop. Avatar Club was spotted. Okay. Okay. Okay, so on a serious note, we are at the conclusion of this lecture now. Congratulations that you guys made it and survived it till the end. This was like the longest lecture of this season of summer school. So, yeah, this is your first assignment that you will be doing. This is the Figma part that Swaraj taught you. You have to design the UI of any Instagram account of your choice. For example, IIT Madras, you can design if you are fond of this college, if you like this college. If you don't like it, so there is no, I don't force you to do it. Like, I'm not saying I don't like it, just, yeah, anything you can. I'd suggest you to make something interesting though. रिफ्रेशमेंट कहाँ मिलेगा okay guys this assignment is your refreshment okay get refreshed with your assignment this is the first assignment and this is compulsory by the way guys so you have to do it because you won't be able to complete the course without it if you want the certificate you have to do it you will get the submission form really soon this was the first part of the assignment the second part is on fusion you need to make a simple or complex water bottle anything of your choice just be creative with it I'd suggest you to make a sports water bottle because it has various functions uh, and don't waste too much time in it if you are um thinking it is hard or something just make a simple one if you are not really comfortable but yeah try to explore it so yeah so this is it. The assignment deadline is 7 p.m. on Wednesday. That is day after tomorrow, the 16th of July. Is there
And
any
guys,
evaluation process?
like for the assignment one, the assignment form will be shared shortly. And for Figma assignment, there's a short answer blank is there. So you need to just copy the link from the Figma file and not the file, I mean in the share button from the share button and just paste it. And for the Fusion, you need to download the Fusion file, I guess. So can you
Yeah.
show them like how to download it?
Yeah. I'll show you how to download the Fusion file. Yeah, so just go on this file option and click on export. Don't click on save, it won't make any difference. Just click on export and any location that you want to save it and just try to keep it in this form dot f3t. This is the original form of a fusion file and you can name it anything that you like if you like a lion you can name it a lion anyways so yeah it doesn't matter just make sure that you are on time you are before the deadline and you are creative that's it so yeah this was it we were your hosts Swaraj and Shambhuraj thank you you were a really good audience and if you have any doubts you can ask it on the group or you can message us personally this
Not
was
in
a
the
really
group.
good session
We'll share a like assignment form link. So you need to put that those assignments on that form itself.
yeah yeah you can share it like we are going to share one assignments collection doc it is a
Someone
form
asked
so
like
yeah
how to render how to render that Fusion file, I guess. Can you show them?
Show how to render. Okay, just go on your design, click on design drop down menu, and click on render. That's it. Did you get it, Aryan? Yeah. Thank you, Janu. Thank you, Garvit. Thank you, Sharmila. Thank you, Ayush. Thank you, Aryan.
The assignments are
Thank you,
like
thank you,
really
thank you.
easy. So like the Figma is like really easy. It will take like 30 minutes. And also try to finish the Spotify part. And if you want, you can share the link in my DM. I sometimes like uh, text in the group, so you can just find my number and DM me the link.
Yeah. By the way, I forgot to give a shout out to Garvit. Can you give it from PDC account, Swaraj?
Shout out to like whom?
Garvit,
Yeah,
Garvit
yeah.
Bhavik.
So shout out to Garvid. Yeah, I think he answered that question correctly. So yeah.
Yeah,
So Garvit is actually like joining from the first session itself. I took the first session itself. Like saw him there. So I hope is
yeah,
like pretty consistent. So yeah.
yeah. Even this Pritib and Sharmila, I guess they are there since the start. So these people are kind of the MVP of the sessions. Yeah, keep it up, guys. Anyways, Jay also, yeah. Okay, then we will be ending the session now. Thank you for joining. Bye bye, guys. Good night.